Hey guys, this is Kavya, and I wanted to show you guys I got a new bird. This is Forrest up here. We already had him. The new bird is Blueberry. Okay, there's Blueberry. That's Blueberry right there. Yeah, because the camera quality's bad. Hello. Yes. Okay, so that's Blueberry. That's Forrest up there. Hello, buddy Forrest. So, okay. So, guys, I got a new bird. Cool. Cool one. She is. Cool one. Yeah. This is a cool bird, and I already trained them both. So I need to find a camera stable. Okay, maybe this will work. No, it doesn't. It doesn't work at all. Does this work? I need to make sure this works, but I can't find a good. Oh my dog. Not. Sorry, I just do that nowadays, because I just say, oh my dog. But, yeah, again, got a new bird. I'm trying to find, like, a stable area where, okay. I really, really hope you, okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't do this. No, I don't think it's going to work out, guys. I don't think it's going to work out. I wanted to show you guys that little bird over there. Got on my finger. Yeah! That little green bird over there. Just a little over there. Sitting there. Yeah, I'm taking this on my tablet, and the camera quality isn't that good. So sorry. Yeah. I usually use my dad's phone, but he went somewhere. He went on vacation. So yeah, I'm trying. Okay, let's see. Does this work? I know one. How did I not remember this? I totally remember this. Okay. Now let's do this, guys. Let's do this. It's okay. There you go, good bird. There you go. Grab my finger. It's a bluebird. Blueberry. Let's see. Oh, it's not even on. Okay, there we go. It's on my finger. You're on my finger. That's Blueberry right here. So there you go. There you go. So yeah, Blueberry does get on my finger. There's Blueberry. But yeah, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today. Just wanted to show you my new bird. I actually got him like a few weeks ago, but I didn't get a chance because I was busy stuff. Yeah. Yeah. I got that creepy doll over there. Jesus. Yeah, I got it for a present for my mom's coworker somewhere. And I don't really. I mean, I love it. I love it and all, but just never mind. Just never mind. It's cute. I like them. Very cute. Get about what I said earlier. Ha 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 ha. Okay, anyway. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. And like, comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Actually, I'm gonna do one like right after this gets posted.